border management plan.
Menteri rang ba ke jela Conrad ki Sangma nen ke sengi lo Pynbna ya ka Jingmang ka ba apun re Klur Tyngka ban pendep ya ke jingtei ya ka Iawmusiang market complex sejuai ka ba ki brew ke la angnut mental slam ha ka jingkren jong Conrad ula penpau ya ke jing sngongo ya ka sinrat juai ka ba la ai sngo bhai ka jaka bante ka jaka penyeng kali juai Conrad ula pediang ya ka jing e ka ba la khanglat ban pendep ya ke jingtei ya ka ni ka project ha ni ka snem bala leng Handai ulah kular yaki paitba baka sokar kan tray shitom ban job yakini ki jing e.
The Iawmusiang market complex issue was a very complicated issue. We faced many hurdles from the past many years. The sanctions were made by central government, but because of certain changes and sometimes the contractor also not being able to complete the work, somewhere fund issue being happening. This project saw multiple challenges, but I'm happy to inform that we have decided as a government to absorb all of those challenges and once and for all sanction an amount of 26 crores to complete this project. This will be funded completely by the state. This is a very important project for the people of Juwai and Jenti Hills in general.